welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kim, your favorite yada gal. Alright, so I'm pretty sure when you see me looking like this, you kind of have an idea what's going on. Yes, it's another makeup tutorial. I decided to play in some makeup today. I was actually supposed to have a girlfriend come over, but she couldn't. So I went ahead and just, dabbled a little bit myself. And I got this inspiration. I'm actually going to shout her out right now because, I feel like that's the right thing to do. Her name is Nelly Toledo. That's her name on YouTube. And I just went ahead, I typed in this palette, which is a Dominique Cosmetics palette. It came in my November Boxy Charm box, which is actually my first ever Boxy Charm box. So shout out to me for getting with the winning team. But yes, so I finally signed up for Boxy Charm and I got my first box. And if y'all want to know what I think about it and how I feel about the stuff that were inside my box, then you're just gonna have to watch this video and I will share my final thoughts at the end. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. As always, I'm always looking for suggestions. I love to know what you guys want to see, so go ahead, drop a comment, let me know what you want to see. Charmer, if you're a charmer yourself, then go ahead, comment down below or link your video. Like if you did a video too, like using this palette, I literally love to see it because I'm gonna give you a spoiler alert. I love this palette and I'm dying to see a bunch of different looks that other people did with it. So this is gonna be a Boxy Charm and Lip Glam. And of course I'm gonna have to incorporate other products just to get a full complete beat. So let's start off with Lip Glam. It comes in a bag just like this. And basically I just pay $19.99 every month and I get over $50 worth of brushes, which I think is amazing. Okay, and it also comes with this card. And on the back, it tells you what brush it is, what it's for, and all that good stuff, which is really cool because not everybody's makeup savvy. So even if you are a beginner, you can go ahead and do this if you don't know where to start or what to do. Just go ahead and, just sign up. So I got this deluxe fan brush. Alright, so deluxe fan brush. I actually got 2 fan brushes from Morphe already, but this one so far is definitely just like the word says, deluxe. The bristles are super soft and it's a wider fan than the ones that I have before, and it's also a lot thicker. So yeah, I'm really excited for this. It feels so soft, y'all. And this is the M143 Deluxe Soft Fan Brush. Next thing I got is this M16018 Angle Liner Brush, and it looks just like this. It's a really small, precise brush. That's what it looks like. Really simple. Really cool. The bristles feel really soft as well, so I like that. This is a synthetic brush too. This is the M707 3/4 Oval Foundation Brush. Yes. And wow, okay. That's what this one looks like. Okay, the next brush I got is this M554 Under Eye Setting Brush. I'm really excited for this one and I can't wait to use it today. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. Really nice. And I love the size. Oh, wow. I got this M322 Large Pointed Crease Brush. This is what it looks like. And even though it says large crease brush, I don't think this is large at all. I think this is great. And then moving on to my Boxy Charm, I'm gonna just show you guys really quickly what I got. So I got this Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. This is what it looks like. And this box retails for $25, which this alone, I looked it up myself because I was like, okay, I've never heard of Kypris. But that's probably because I don't really use high-end skincare stuff because I'm broke. And this baby retails for $90. Yes, $90. $90. So even if you only got this, like, you would have been got back your money from what you paid for this box. So I ain't got no complaints as far as this Boxy Charm box, and I'm excited to see what else they'll be sending me. But yeah, this was a pleasant surprise, and like I said, I've used it before, so I know how I feel about it, but I'm gonna let y'all see today. The next thing that came in here was these Boxy Charm brushes. I got 2 brushes, and I love these brushes. I haven't tried them yet, but I'm really excited to try them, truthfully. This is what this one looks like. And then I have this bigger brush, which is, you know, the same oval shape. This is really dense. Both brushes are really dense, but this is just like a bigger one. And same shape, love it. This is like, this feels like a really good quality brushes. And these retail for $35. So that alone would give you your money back too. Just saying. This is the palette that got me excited. So this is a Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette. The packaging, first of all, is so cute. Like, it's so cute. It feels like kind of like a little bit heavy, even though it's not like a massive palette, not by any means. It's actually really small, which is also great because I would love to take this with me in my kit. Is this not beautiful? Like, I love these colors. I love these colors so much, and I feel like with fall here now, I feel like a lot of these colors are very fall friendly. And then I love the fact that it has like the pop of colors. There's this like really pretty pinkish, like what would you call this, like fuchsia color, and then there's this really beautiful blue that I cannot wait to use these. I'm so excited. I don't know what look I'm gonna do today, but whatever it is, I'm sure it'll be fire. I really hope that the quality is amazing, because then that would just be the icing on the cake, like for real. And then the next thing that I'm like super excited about, because I actually purchased this when it just came out with the Jaclyn and Hill, and they did like a collab. And this, here it is right here. So it was a limited edition. I think it was like a holiday edition, or it was a Jaclyn Hill like collab. I don't know what it was, but it was a mix between like a blush and a highlight, and it was Champagne Pop and Hyacinth for the blush. And within a couple weeks of having this, I took this to work and somebody broke it, and I was so mad because this was not cheap. Becca is not cheap by any means. So yeah, they broke it, and all the highlighter fell out. And so I still keep it because, you know, I still have the blush, and I really love this blush. So I'm super excited that they sent me a Becca highlighter of Champagne Pop. Like, you see God work in mysterious ways, and I'm not complaining about it. Like, I'm actually real happy. And then I just got these 2 morning goggle eye masks and an evening goggle eye mask. And this one says brighten and protect, made with silver, caffeine, algae complex, pumpkin, and pomegranate. And then this one is an evening mask, says made with copper, amino acids, hyaluronic acid, balm, and centella. Not gonna lie, I've never heard of this brand or this company, Vita Masks, but I mean, I'm always down for some free skincare. So that's what the morning one looks like. And then the evening one looks like this. Without further ado, I'm actually just gonna go ahead and just dive right in. Definitely tell that it's a luxury item because just the way it makes my face feel. It's tacky. It almost reminds me of like a Farsali Skin Tune Blur. If you've ever used the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, it really reminds me of that. It's like really tacky to the point where it almost feels like if you're the type of person who doesn't believe in primer, or you just don't want to spend that extra money to do all this and then, you know, like just have like 10-15 different steps to your makeup routine, then I feel like you could get away with using just this and then going right over it with foundation, just because of like the tackiness. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Overall, I'm really pleased with my BoxyCharm box. Based on this alone, I actually probably would go ahead and say I kind of wish I had signed up a while back, because who knows what goodies like I probably already missed out on. But it's cool. I'm sure they got a bunch of like good stuff coming up. Like, it's about to be the holidays. I'm sure their December box is gonna be really. Oh my god, my flat iron is still on. Irresponsible. Anyways, but yeah, I absolutely love this box. My favorite things from the box would probably be between the serum and the palette. And I would probably, I probably couldn't choose between. I think I love them both equally. But this palette is just so beautiful. It's like probably one of my favorite palettes right now, next to my Jackie Aina palette. I really love that one as well. But I love this. It's so pigmented and easy to work with. And I felt like I like piled on a bunch of different shadows like on top of each other, and they still blended so beautifully. Like, I feel like 7 hours later, the colors didn't like fade away. You know how like cheaper shadows get, like, put it on, it looks good, and then after a while it starts getting patchy, or it just like almost melts into your skin, or it just disappears, all the dust flew away or whatnot. But this is nice. Like, this is really nice. I would actually still go out with my face looking like this. My lipstick's still there, even though this wasn't in the box, but just gonna throw that out there. But yeah, like, I can't stop looking at myself. I actually do wish I had somewhere to be, but I don't. I'm at home with the girls, but I'm probably gonna keep this on my face for a little bit longer, you know what I'm saying? Take a bunch of snaps and stuff like that. Speaking of which, if you're not a friend of mine on my socials, do get familiar, join the team. Yeah, So these two were my two favorite things. The eye mask, I don't know if I would say it did anything special. I mean, it was cool for what it was. Like, I like skincare stuff, so I mean, I'm always gonna be happy if they put a mask in my box. But I feel like the mask was just there kind of like as a bonus item, or just to like take up space. But it's cool, you know. I'm not gonna complain, because like everything else in the box was amazing. I am super happy too. I almost forgot. Super happy that I got a chance to get another one of these highlighters. I'm even more happy that it's like full size and I didn't have to buy it, because these are like $40 just by itself. So I'm really happy about that. Don't know if you can really see how well you can see it right now, just because I did put powder on top of it after I initially applied it. But yeah, this side is like looking a little, you know, more beaming. Yes. And I just flat ironed my hair, so you know, I've been sitting in heat and all types of stuff. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and just dust on a little bit more highlight. And I actually love the brushes that I got from Morphe this month as well. I didn't get a chance to use the brushes from Boxy Charm, except actually I did use this one to blend out my contour. I don't normally contour very often when I'm not going anywhere. I just kind of like bronze. But for the sake of the video, and because I wanted to at least try one of these brushes, I used my LA Girl Pro Conceal in just like a darker shade, and I used this since it's more like dense, like just blend it out. And I love the way it blended everything. I feel like because of the shape of it too, it was just so easy to like just, you know, just keep it exactly where it need to be, just right there, that cheekbone, you know, just be right there. I feel like, yeah, it's just like, it's bomb, and I can't wait to use the big one. But I feel like with the big one, I'd have to use it with like a cream product, because I feel like it's just so dense. It's like really pointless to use with powder. I feel like it's definitely made for something a little creamier. Oh shit, I know I already put way too much right here. Ooh. Just do that first and then dust it on, because this highlight do be extra, and I like to be extra, but you know, Woo. Go ahead and spruce this face up a little bit more. Yes. Alright. Woo. Yes, honey. Get into this. Get into this. Woo. Yes. 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 I feel like I keep saying that. But yes, that's Miss Champagne Pop for you, honey. Yeah.